I cannot say enough good words about Victoria. She is an amazing coach, trainer, and human. Her energy, her knowledge, she is so empowering. I can't tell you how transformative this training was, not only personally, but for my business. I feel so confident leaving here with all the tools and the support. Victoria goes above and beyond for all of her clients. She is just an amazing soul. I can't recommend this training, especially with Victoria.
I didn't imagine the training to be so healing for my own self. I thought I was just getting tools to deliver things, and they actually gave me tools to really heal myself. And of course, that's going to improve my ability to help others down that journey. So it was really a full package deal coming to this training. I feel very prepared to both coach and run workshops. It's just an amazing experience.
I have just been revived, I guess you might say. I've found my ground. I've learned to trust myself and reestablish the balance that was lacking.
Victoria just does an amazing job. She's an amazing leader, amazing teacher, and I just couldn't ask for a better facilitator for this journey.
Victoria puts thousand hours to prepare for this event, and I really come out of today with feeling prepared and feeling grateful for my healing and also empowered with the right tools that I need.
I really just wanted to come to get a little bit of a better idea of what coaching was about, and came with the idea that I'm going to learn only about coaching, and I received so much more from this course. It was such a privilege to meet Victoria because she's just such a dynamic teacher. Her enthusiasm, her knowledge and her past experience just made it so easy to learn, and my personal growth has been immense in just these last 10 days, and I feel empowered, and I feel I'm leaving here with so much knowledge and support and a ton of resources, free resources, to be able to go share and continue to share this beautiful message based on Louise Hay's teachings.
Just recently completed the Heal Your Life training with Victoria Johnson, who is absolutely amazing. I recommend her. Her workshops and her training are pure magic, and I highly recommend if you're looking for something to change your life, this is it.
I highly recommend Victoria's workshops. Her spirit, her vibe, her energy is absolutely amazing, and I will never forget this experience for as long as I live.
Coming into this training, I did not know what to expect, but I was provided with so much knowledge and safety and just comfortability to be who I am and show up as I am. I left here with the comfort and inner strength to know that I have the abilities that I need, that I have the tools, that I have a gift, and I'm ready to share that gift. So thank you, Victoria, and I will always be recommending you. I will always be recommending this to people.